Nile River restaurant. Oh, just don't have it. Just don't have the Koshari. Oh, okay, okay. All right, just got off the train. Today's adventure, we're going to take a look at Little Italy. So let's go. Alright, so Little Italy is where all the Italian immigrants moved to Toronto and made it their own little community. Built their own businesses, had their own groceries, own markets, so it's pretty cool. Now it's a nice little historic district here in Toronto that is very popular and cool. Trying to find a little slice of pizza down here. I don't think Gino's is it. Got another one here, Pizzaville. Just see him by the slice. Continuing on the search. This looks like one of the fancier little pizzerias. Reginery Pizzeria Trattoria. There's their menu. See much of a vibe going on. I think I'll skip that one. More brickstones. See a neat little church here across the way. Interesting windows. Not quite stained glass. Gotta watch out for these bikers here. Dangerous. This is the first visual proof I've been able to capture that we are indeed in Little Italy, here off of College Street. Got this little Sicilian sidewalk cafe, supposed to be Toronto's oldest gelatery, I believe that's how you say it. But I think we got some slices of pizza up here. We're gonna go on ahead and grab a little slice and then maybe head over to that gelateria, see what it's all about. Been here that long, must be good. Oh yes, there's my mark. We'll try out this Pizza Nova. Go in, I think they have slices. I mean, they got the medium for $9.99, so slices have to be pretty good. Let's check it out. Check out this little menu here.
Hi.
Hey, how you doing today?
It's going great.
Good. Good. Yeah, no problem. Take your time.
How may I help you, sir?
Okay. Let me go ahead and get one of these Hawaiians right here. And to drink.
One slice of Hawaiian.
Let's do a Coca-Cola.
Can of water?
Can.
With pizza or with the first pizza?
One slice, one can of Coke. You
Yep.
want to make it a combo?
No, I'm good.
So it's going to be $7.84.
Okay.
How would you like to pay?
We're gonna pay cash. Out of the oven already.
Your
All right.
slice, sir?
Can I change that for the Orangina? Is it
No,
this?
no, sir, but the
It's a little more?
Yeah.
Okay,
it's
cool. Thanks, man.
The garlic.
That's quick.
It's going to take 3 to 4 minutes minimum.
Can't accept that kind of accommodation at the end, so
The butter is there.
can't blame him.
It will take 3 to 4 minutes and warm it.
Alright, so like I said, that was pretty quick. We went on ahead and got the fresh slice oven baked of the Hawaiian. That's the cured bacon, pineapple, and ham. We're gonna give Little Italy a taste here. See how it is. Nice airy crust. Decent marinara. I like it. It's good toppings.
Oh, you want it
As always, Coca-Cola. I'm waiting for that big sponsorship.
Coke as well?
Talk to you, boy.
So this is your cheese slice, your veggie
That's lunch in Little Italy. Just randomly picked one of the pizza spots. First one that said that they had it by the slice, and I'm gonna sit here and enjoy that and take a look at our view of Little Italy. All right, that was Pizza Nova. Pretty good. I mean, it was pizza, oven baked. But got my eyes set now on this Sicilian sidewalk cafe. So we try to traverse these mean streets of Toronto and get across and see what they got. So like the sign says, it's Toronto's oldest gelatery since 1959. Embracing the past, embracing the peasant, ensuring the rich. Let's see if we can get a little something to go. Hey, how you doing? Let's go for a small half banana, half hazelnut. In a cup. Alright, check out this little atmosphere. Can't get any better than that. Little sidewalk cafe here at Toronto's oldest gelatery off of Montrose and College. And I went on ahead and got the hazelnut and banana. I got a small, but they have very generous portions. Try this banana off first. So since 1959, and you can see why. It's just good gelato. Not too melty, like real gelato is kind of thicker. And that's good. You can see the churn on that. Nice. So we're gonna enjoy our little ambiance here. I feel like finally Little Italy has shown itself. All right, a little street vendor here. Fruits, veggies, flowers. Coming on to Beatrice now. Who in the hell is Johnny Lombardi? What did he do to get away? Got the Little Italy sign across the way. Little Italy. We got a few statues over here. Give them a peek. Oh, Johnny Lombardi. Nice to meet you, my friend. I'm just talking about you. Good guy, good guy. Not sure what you did, but I see you got the kids here listening intently, so you're obviously a good man. Let's keep it rolling. I was about to be upset for a minute. Egyptian street food. If they would have had the Koshari, I would have had to eat twice, but luckily, they're under construction. That would have been dangerous, because I'm not turning down my Egyptian street food, especially not the Koshari. Well, it appears I might have jinxed myself. Might be having dinner number 2. Nile River Restaurant. Oh. Just don't have it. Just don't have the Koshari. Oh. Okay. Okay. All right. Can't turn it down. You know me. Let's go. Couldn't turn down that Koshari. You know me. So we got about a 10-minute wait. Go outside, chill out, and try this Koshari on the way home. So, you know me, sucker for the Koshari. We got a little something to go. We'll give a little taste test on the way. Got the Cucina Cabrese over here, Tavernita. Sorry all my Italian fans, I tried my best. Got one of the mini cathedrals here. This one's good. Got some peak on it. Break through the tree line here. Ooh. Bet you that has a nice grand hall in it. Hey, buddy. What you doing? You waiting? Good boy. Good boy. Ooh, street hot dogs. No, I already got the Koshari. We got Sneaky D's bar. Cute. Seems to be a little homeless encampment right outside of this church. Perhaps the church is allowing their property to be used in this manner. Interesting. It's a nice building. Sorry, I don't have any change to spare right now. Do you guys have fun? Not quite like being in Italy itself, but Little Italy definitely had a few touches of authenticity to it. The gelato definitely being one of them. I'm gonna let you know about this here Koshari in a few minutes. Be a little bonus footage, and I'm gonna head back into Kensington Market area and go back to the Airbnb. So once again, y'all, thanks for coming along on the Little Italy tour, and see you on the next one. Alright guys, a little bonus time. Time for that Koshari review. So, like I said, we stopped at the Nile River restaurant. This is dinner number 2, so not going to have too much of it now, but we're going to go ahead and give it a little shot. And for those of you that have never had Koshari, it is a vegetarian dish. It consists of rice, green lentils, as well as noodles. It has like a spicy marinara sauce and then a red chili sauce on top that just gives it that kick. So, I had it in Cairo. I had it in Giza. Let's try it in Toronto. So as you can see, I have it right here in the bowl. And I mean, it's just a mix-match, hobgob. See all the layers of everything, noodles, lentils, sauce. Oof. I mean, it is amazing. So I was talking to the guy, told him I had it over in the motherland, and not to take it easy on me on the spice, so let's try it out. It also comes with nice crispy fried onions on top. Oh, and that rivals the Egyptian street food. So Nile River restaurant, if I was a Toronto native, I'd be eating there every other day. But for now, this Koshari is going to have to do. And guys, thank you for sticking around for the bonus footage. I enjoyed showing you this Koshari. I mean, you know, it's right up my alley. Love the Egyptian culture. Still learning Arabic. Gonna be back in February, so see you next time. Take it easy, y'all. Koshari time.